Howdy, y'all. Did you know paint, herbicides, pesticides, automotive fluids, and pool chemicals are considered household hazardous waste, also known as HHW? These chemicals should never be disposed of down the drain, whether it's in your home or a storm drain. Even in small amounts, these chemicals can be corrosive, toxic, and dangerous to your pipes and the environment. If these items are poured down the drain, it can result in contamination of our waterways and can damage your pipes, leading to costly repairs. Any of these leftover chemicals should be taken to a household hazardous waste collection center or take-back event in order to protect your home and the environment. Remember, never pour any hazardous chemicals down the drain. Visit DefendYourDrainsNorthTexas.com to find a household hazardous waste collection center near you. Defend your drains, y'all.